Hello, magandang araw kabayan. Ito po si Bong. Nais ko lang po i-share sa inyo kung magkano po ang pwede nating kitain sa ating pong investment dito po sa ating company na pangalan po ay Atlantic Global Asset Management, which is the main company natin, at yung Questra World, ito po yung ating marketing arm. Okay? Okay, so ito yung ating website, questra.checkyourincome.com. Okay, ito po ay hindi siya official na website at ito po ay projection lamang, okay? Kung magkano pwede mong kitain on a weekly basis sa ating pong investment, okay? So halimbawa lang po this is just an example para meron lang tayong idea. Halimbawa, pinili mo yung 810 na package, okay? Ating investment package and then for 52 weeks, yan po kasi ang lifespan ng ating investment for 1 year. So in 1 year, meron pong 52 weeks. Okay? So i-compute natin kung magkano ang kikitain natin po on a weekly basis. Okay? So again, ito 29.48 weekly po yan. Yan po yung weekly profit natin. Based po yan sa 5.2%. Kasi tayo, di ba, ang sinasabi ng company, ang weekly profit natin po ay nagre-range siya ng 4%, okay? 4% hanggang 6% po, So normally around that area, around that region, yung ating percentage sa ating profit, okay? So to make the story short, guys, once na nag-generate tayo ng income on a weekly basis na pwedeng bumili uli ng another package, okay? Kasi marami tayong di ba, investment package, di ba? Starting from 90, 270, 810, meron tayong 2,400. So, sa minimum natin is 90 euros. So, every time maka-generate ka ng 90 euros, binibili mo uli. Huwag mo munang withdrawin yung pera na yon. Ibalik mo uli. Yan po ang tinatawag nating compounding, yung the power of compounding interest. Okay? Pero, makikita mo dito, lumalaki yung iyong profit on a weekly basis kasi kino-compound mo siya, hindi mo siya mini-withdraw. So, after 1 year po yan, after 1 year, papansin mo dito, weekly mo halos lumalaki ang income mo kasi kino-compound mo siya. After 1 year po, ang total income mo na, okay, total profit mo, okay, with just one-time investment na 810, total income is, wow, 4,770 euros. Okay? How cool is that? Now, ngayon po naman, tingnan natin yung 270, Kasi, pwede ka rin magsimula, kung wala kang 810, pwede ka magsimula sa 270 euros, okay? Tapos, ang gawin natin, dagdag ka lang ng 90 euro every month. Once a month po, parang forced saving, Kumbaga, hanggat maaari, magdagdag tayo ng at least 90 euro. Yung one package po yan, once a month lang. Okay? Simulan natin after, okay? On the 4th week. After 1 month, okay? For the whole 1 year, okay? Until the week 52. Kumbaga, sa loob ng isang taon, pero monthly lang ikaw magdadagdag ng 90 euros. Tingnan mo kung magkano kikita mo dito. Again, start with 270 initial investment. Tapos dagdag ka lang ng 90 euro every month. Okay? Good for 1 year. Look, guys, how much will you earn, Tingnan mo kung magkano pwede mong kitain dito. Okay? Ayan. So, sa weekly mo, sa 270 mo, ang possible income mo dyan is 899. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, dagdag ka lang ng 90 euro each month, diba? Tama? So, for 1 year po, okay, for 1 year, meron kang 3,960. Wow, how cool is that? So, ito po ay tinatawag nating investment lang. Okay? Hindi ka nag-sponsor, hindi ka nag-invite, o hindi ka nag-recruit. By just with your investment, you generate income. Okay? Guys, that's all for now, and have a good day.